We are Joe and Esther. Come with us while we grab coffee and go to our next road trip destination. We love to travel and experience nature, even if it takes us to places unknown. Greetings everyone and welcome to Wheels of Passion. In this episode of Road Trips, we'll be visiting Bodega Bay, which is a small coastal town located in Sonoma County, California. The Sonoma Coast State Park is located a few miles north of town. We'll be checking that out first. Did you know that the Sonoma Coast State Park features over 17 miles of stunning coastline and unique geological formations that attract thousands of visitors every year? This is the Bodega Dunes area of the park, which offers incredible views, diverse wildlife, and outdoor activities. Whether you're here just to take a walk on the beach or plan to hike some of the picturesque trails, the park is a natural wonder and beauty. The park also offers day-use parking close to the beach, overnight camping in several campgrounds, and RV parking in several places right on the beach. After parking, we followed the trail down to the beach. Over the hill and under the bridge, and there it is, the South Salmon Creek Beach. The waters are very calm today and the weather is a bit chilly, which is expected for a December morning. While we were checking out the beach, we ran into a few fishermen looking for crabs.
How long do I have to wait?
Oh, I don't know. It's fishing, not catching. Ganun yun eh.
Ganyan ba yan?
Yeah. Kaya lang. Yeah, it's okay. you do.
Pero marami kayo nakukuha dito.
No, first time I'm not.
First time?
Ocean Beach.
Ocean Beach. Bakit naisipan niyo magpunta dito?
Nakita namin sa
Sa YouTube, marami daw dito?
Oo,
They told us that they heard the crab fishing was pretty good here and drove a few hours to check it out to see if the rumors were true.
What is that? Wala. Yeah.
After checking out the state park, we were getting a bit hungry, so we headed back to town to grab breakfast at the harbor. There are several places to eat here, and we decided to check out this small place close to the entrance to the harbor.
Here.
After breakfast, we headed over to the Spud Point Marina Pier at the Bodega Harbor. The Marina Jetty is a nice walk that will take you out to the bay and offers a very nice view of the entire harbor. The jetty is also a nice place to fish off of.
Did you get anything?
And there are several of these landing areas that make it easier for people to pass by. This man was also looking for crabs in the harbor and found a few, but had to return them to the water since the crabs were too small.
It's still alive, right?
Yeah. They just get their stuff out of the net, so I just throw them back in.
Bait came out.
I am starting to get a sense that crabs are serious business here at Bodega
Put it in the
Bay.
middle like that.
Yeah, and then you just close it up.
Yeah.
Yeah. The more bait, the white.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. Get in, crabbies.
At the tip of Bodega Bay's North Jetty is a very popular spot for camping and fishing called Doran Regional Park. There are some nice beaches here and spots for RV parking as well. We drove all the way to the inn and immediately could see that this place is already getting crowded.
Did you get any? Did you get any? No? Man, I want to see some crabs.
We talked to some of the people fishing to see what types of fish they were looking to catch. And from the fishing lines, it's easy to tell that they were also in search of the elusive crabs as well. On the way out, we stopped by this beach before exiting the park. This is a nice beach that is located close to the RV campsites and has an awesome view of the ocean side of the bay.
freezing.
We hope you liked our trip to the Bodega Bay on the California Sonoma coast. There are some good opportunities to explore the area on the very nice hiking trails, or if you are looking for a very surreal place to cast your fishing line, this is it. Please be sure to check out the links in the description for more detail about the Sonoma State beaches and Bodega Bay. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.